All right, guys, today we're going to be reviewing a multi-port cable. Here's what comes in the pack. Used to get insane in the box, so this is in the pack. You have two cables, and this is USB-A to multiple cables. You get USB-A cable. You have a mini USB-C. You have a lightning port, and you have two USB-C cables. So it's 4-in-1 cable for older devices that take USB, mini USB. It has this, it's got you covered, fast charging, and then lightning port for the older AirPods and iPhones. And then you get the USB-C for everything else, for your iPhones, for your AirPods, for your AirPod Max, and then you can plug it everywhere because it's USB-A. You can plug in the computer or in a block and it will work. It's fast charging, greatly made. Is, if you see here, it's braided, so you know it's not gonna break. That is, everything is braided right here. Even though the USB-C, the main cable is braided, it's not gonna break easy. It's convenient, so you can have one cable for every device that you own, even if it's an older iPhone or a mini USB device. So you get you covered. Greatly priced, greatly made. Go get your one. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.